Let's pick our first order from Hungary. Let's see what she picked. I need your help, guys. You know, autumn has not come yet, but summer is about to end soon. So do you think it's time for my husband to make some autumn vibe designs, or he should still focus on summer nails? This sweetie picked 4 sets. The first set is Sharks in Love, a very cute and refreshing set featuring a sweet shark couple. It's perfect for a hot summer. The second is Kate in Space. My husband is now working on the bee version, which will arrive in August. The third is Juicy Strawberry Gummies, a sweet 3D cat eye design that has been ordered many times. The last one is Cat Party, another popular adorable cat theme set. We also have some cute small gifts for her. Hope she will like them. All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped to prevent hurting during shipping. Each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. Both my husband and I are so happy that our cute creation is leaving for another new country.